Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel back again. We have discussed so many things regarding graphical designing, and now we are trying to understand how to learn graphical designing tool. Are you really want to improve your graphical designing skills? Then you need to learn different graphical designing tools. Right now there are so many graphical designing tools. Most of them are AI powered tools, and we need to master them and we need to use them in our daily life so that you can generate more productivity, creativity, and you can earn a lot of money from the market. Now, if you want to master a tool, what are the things you need to learn? In this session, I am going to talk about 6 tips. Those are very important to learn any graphical designing tools. If you are following these 6 tips, you can master any graphical designing tool. So without wasting a time, let's jump into mind map and try to understand 6 different tips for understanding any graphical designing tools. Okay, welcome to this map. Now we have already discussed different steps for understanding graphical designing tools, and the first step itself is we need to understand the tool itself. So whenever you are learning any tool or trying to use any new tool for your designing project, you must understand that tool properly. Then you can use it effectively and you can finish your job as early as possible. So let us dive into the point how to understand a tool. Now here I am going to give you 6 tips. The tip number 1 is you need to understand the purpose of tool. Every tool is designed or created with a specific purpose, and you need to understand what was that purpose for that tool is invented. Now if you are using that tool exactly for that purpose, you can generate a most creative and most impactful design. So you need to understand the purpose of tool. Now when you are developing any designing project, you must have a vision and you must have a proper plan what exactly you want to create. Now accordingly, you have to find out what actually you want to do in your project, and then you need to find out a perfect tool for doing that thing. So purpose of tool, so you have to learn different tools and their purposes. Most of the tools are having some focused purposes and some additional parts to it. For example, if you are talking about Canva is specifically designed for creating impactful images, but now on we can see we can create videos also. But basically Canva was designed for creating images. So if you want to create an image, Canva is the best thing. Another purpose of developing Canva is rapid development. Most of the things are ready-made available in the form of template, and by using those templates you can customize those templates and generate your things rapidly. So if you are going to use ready-made templates, then Canva is the best option for you. In this way, you have to learn purpose of every tool, and then according to your purpose you have to find out which is best suitable tool for your project. The second thing is you need to understand its shortcuts. Most of the time we need to develop your designs or creatives in minimum possible time, and for that purpose you must have mastery in handling those tools. Now one of the powerful tip is when you are learning a tool, first thing what you have to learn is what are different keyboard shortcuts. Instead of using a mouse and dragging and dropping, you are going to waste lot of time. So how to save a file, how to create different effects on a file, how to merge the files. Now you can use simple shortcuts so that you can complete your project as early as possible. The third tip is using templates. For every tool there are some ready-made templates. If you are using those ready-made templates, you can complete your project, your task in faster way. Instead of wasting time for every project starting with scratch and developing on your own, what you can do is common part you can develop once and make it a template. Use the same template every time when you are developing such kind of project. Or what you can do is lot of free templates are available on internet. You can download them and use them. Some templates are premium templates. If you are really interested in developing powerful graphics, then you can purchase some templates or you can subscribe some channels from where you can download ready-made templates, use them for your commercial development, and you can finish your project at earliest time. It is not only saving a time, but it is also creating good impacts. If you're not good in creating templates, then you can use templates created by someone else and you can get the benefit of those designs. Number 4 tip is you need to stay organized. Most of the time we are getting messed up with the non-organized work. So what we have to do is we need to create proper folder structure. We need to create proper folders to store rough work. We need to create proper folders to use shared work. We need to create a separate folder to keep your final projects. And you need to create them with the help of titles, dates, project names, your colleagues' names, or your teammates. Accordingly, you have to give the proper nomenclature. You need to develop a nomenclature system and you need to cultivate a habit to use these folders, these nomenclature styles properly, so that you will not waste time in searching files or you are not going to waste a time in storing files. Later on, you can take backup of those structured folders so that you can keep them for longer time also. Fifth one is using plugins. Lot of tools are having different kinds of plugins and each plugin has a different feature inside it. By using different plugins, you are going to have additional benefits, additional features available inside the tool. For example, if you are shoot the videos by using OBS Studios, now a lot of free plugins are available for OBS Studio. You can download them, install them, and with each plugin you are going to get a separate kind of programming feature available in that tool. So these plugins are going to help you to create lot of different creativity and impactful activities inside your videos. You are not going to waste your time in editing video. So in this way, every designing tool has a lot of different plugins available. You need to learn those plugins and find out which are most useful plugins available for your work. Accordingly, you need to use those plugins so that you can speed up your work and finish your job as early as possible. Last but not least, tip number 6 is you need to stay updated. The tools are developing on themselves. Every time they are launching new versions, new updates inside the tool, you need to find out what are the new things available in tool. Right now, if you are watching different tools available, they are adding AI inside the tool. Lot of video making tools are now giving the caption, different kinds of captions, and they are built in AI based updates in those tools. You need to learn what are new updates, what is current trend in the market, and accordingly you need to update your designs, your creations, so that you can get support from your team, you can get more response to your creatives, and you will become a successful designer. Now these are the 6 steps you need to follow to become expert or to become a pro in any designing tool. If you like these 6 tips, please give me a thumbs up and give your comments important tip that you like from this video, and you can also comment if you are using any other thing or any other tip in your mind. You can please comment so that everyone will understand this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share these videos to your friends also. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video where we are going to understand how can we use raw material and different sources for making powerful and impactful graphical designing projects. Thank you very much for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.